lovelies, and welcome back to today's vlog. This vlog starts almost at the beginning of the year, and this was when I was installing my synthetic braided wig from Shein. I did this unboxing a while back, but I just didn't show you the installation process. Well, anyway, it's almost like installing it like you would do any lace wig. I was just reducing the length of the baby head there, and that's what it's looking like. Now, to customize the wig cap, I'm going in with my setting powder as well as some edge powder, and I'm just blending those two together. And this is what the wig looks like when I put it on. I really love this wig. I got two of them, and this is just a straight one. The other one was a knotless one, and I love them both. But anyway, to get that realistic look, I'm just laying some baby hairs with some of my Shine Jam, and this is what the hair looks like all done up. I'm just tying the hair at the back just to give it like a loose kind of styling, and this is what it looks like, you guys. I absolutely love this wig. It is very, very realistic. I really love the edges that it comes with. It just makes everything look seamless. But anyway, we're ready to go to church. This is Dan saying hello and welcome to the vlog. It is snowing. So you guys, on this particular day, I just stepped out of the house because it was time to head to work, and I was making my way down to the bus station and I saw snow. It was so unexpected. It was really cold, and this was the explanation for why it was that cold. But anyway, the snow did not pass like this. It wasn't more than this because where we are, we don't really see that much snow, and this is as good as it gets when it comes to snowfall. It barely even covered the grass. But anyway, we thank God for what we got. This is just us. A couple of days afterwards, we're coming back from church. You guys can see that I'm still struggling to create content, but anyway, I just come back from church and we're just trying to get our things and move into the house. Hello ladies, and welcome back to the channel. It is a Sunday and the weather is lovely. We finally have a break from all the freezing temperatures. But anyway, you guys, how's everyone doing? Alright, you guys, so 2023 was full of a lot of surprises for me as a content creator. Some of the brands that I pitched to and hoped to work with reached out to me on their own, and one of them was Shein. I have always been a Shein girl. As a matter of fact, even before I reached out to them, I've always been sharing some of my Shein buys, like whatever it is that I order from Shein, I will just unbox that with you here on the channel. And I did pitch to them at some point late 2022, early 2023, and out of nowhere they reached out to me middle of 2023, but we did not start working together until about September. It was a really eventful year for me. We started with the wig collaborations, and then we did the December sales where they would send me different items to unbox here on the channel. I would say in the past we've done about 7 to 8 human wigs, and right now we are on their synthetic collection. But before the year ended, I didn't even know that they had done this. They had reached out to those of us who were on the PR list and sent us this amazing package. As a matter of fact, I wasn't expecting this, and by the time it came early this year, I thought it was something else. But when I opened it, I was shocked to my core that I got a PR end of year package from Shein, and it came with this letter. And this is what it says. It says Shein for all, save in style. And I got this gotcha machine. I didn't even know what a gotcha machine is. I had to Google it when I opened the box, and it's a really cute incentive, and it just says, "Hi fashionista, thank you so much for all your hard work, creativity and contribution in 2023. To show our appreciation for your amazing work, our team has put together a special gift for you, a lucky gotcha machine, a symbol of life's endless challenges and surprises. We hope you love it. We can't wait to see what's in store for the year ahead. Here's to saving in style in 2024. Cheers, the Shein team." And that's all that is on the card. You guys, When I tell you that my hands were itching to open this box. But anyway, it's a really fun box. All I have to do is roll this and then a ball gets expelled. Hopefully I'm able to catch it before it rolls off. But anyway, that's the first box. Let's see what's in it. It's a really fun game. I will not lie, I have opened some of these boxes, but I have sealed them back up just for the point, or just for this video. So this is, some of them I will not be using, some of them are just wild, like this. This is hair extension, pink hair extension. I do not know in what circumstances I will be using this, but it is in the box. That's probably some of the challenges we're talking about in that note. But anyway, obviously I'm not going to be able to open all these balls, but oh, we have some rings. Nice. This is what they look like. This is something I can use. It's a nail clipper. This is a nail dryer. So it is connected via USB. So you just plug that in. You can plug this with your power bank or anything and just dry your nails like that individually. We have a scrunchie for my hair. I'm just going to pack my hair up now. I have a get charge now. And don't let nobody just comment, go and have gay. I will wish you the same. Oh, it's not a pocket mirror, it's even better. It has a paw print on there. But it's a measuring tape. It is a measuring tape. Very useful. Has a button to press there. And yeah. Anyway, thank you again to Shein for this really cute surprise. Here's to 2024 more amazing collaborations. Thank you again. It has always been a pleasure to work with this brand. I am grateful for this opportunity to partner with you and to work with your amazing brand and to just grow this community together. It has been such an amazing journey with you. More and greater things to come in 2024. Hi guys, and welcome to this month's box. This is the Dusta box that I get every single month. This is their January box, and I'm doing something rather unusual. This is the first time I'm doing this with the boys. This is the first time I'm doing this with the boys. It's about to be chaotic in a minute, but you guys,
I'm carrying my own brother.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my December box because things just got lost in the mail. But anyway, you guys, this is the January box. This is a list of everything we will be getting. Also, if you guys will be looking to get your own Dusta box, I would leave my link as well as my unique code for you to be able to get 3% off your first box. So the first item I have here is this naked granola peanut delight. This is what the box looks like. It's a fairly good size. This retails for £3.75. Can be found at Tesco's and Waitrose.
What's that? Is that the noodles?
Yeah, it looks like noodles to me, but it's actually porridge. So this is the next product we get. This is from a brand called Bio and Me. This is their nice and nutty gluten-free porridge. So this one retails for £1.50 per pot. We have baked beans. This is the first time I'm seeing baked beans in a Tetra pack. So this is from a brand called Curio. This retails for £1.40. Well, you guys don't eat beans, do you? You don't like beans?
No, I don't like it.
I'm going to enjoy this by myself. Like I said, it retails for £1.40 and is available at all major supermarket chains. So this is from a brand called Cafe Bourbon, and this is their creamy classica. So this is pure bodied and balanced. The intensity is 8 out of 10, and this one retails for £6.50. You can find the full range of products on ocado.com. The next brand of products we're getting is this one from a brand called Swizzles, and this is their Curious Chews.
Can we give it a taste test? Mom, can we have one?
So these are vegan sweets. This retails for £1.25 and can be found in all supermarket chains across the UK. So I love the fact that when you open it, you don't have to finish it in one go. You can pace yourself, especially with these This boy is here. The next brand we have is from a brand I featured a couple of boxes ago, and this is from a brand called Muti. South Africans, relax. It's not what you're thinking, okay? So this is from a brand called Muti, and this is the product of the month. This is their vegan bolognese sauce. This you can find in Sainsbury, and it retails for £3.50. This next product is from a brand called Galaxy, and this is their smooth mint. This retails for £1.25 and can be found in Ocado. So this is from a brand that has been featured in a while back. This is Ruby's garlic mayo but Gouda. This is their garlic mayo. It retails for £3. You can find this on Ocado, Waitrose and Corp. As per usual, I'm really falling in love with this seasoning pots, and this month we have been given this one from Knorr. This is their beef stock pot. There's 4 pots in this pack, and it retails for £1.90. So you can find this in all major supermarket chains. So the last and final product we are getting is from a brand called Hip Hop, and this is their tropical peach living soda. This retails for £1.70 and can be found in selected M&S stores. Boots. It looks refreshing. You guys, that's everything I got in my Dusta box for this month of January. Let me know what you guys are most interested in this box. I would say so far my favorites have to be the granola, the mint chocolate, the beef seasoning, and the coffee. Anyway, you guys, that is it for this section. I will see you guys in the course of the vlog. Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. It is a Sunday and we just got back from church. It's quite late, and we stopped by at the African store to get some food items. Like I told you guys that I needed to get some pepper for my pepper mix for the month of February, and yeah, that's everything we got. So let me just show you a quick rundown of everything. You guys, by the way, my dress is from Roseway, and it kind of gives rich auntie vibes. You guys, let me just show you what the full fit looks like. So I have this red belt to match my red shoes that I got from Temu a while ago. This is my first time wearing these shoes out. But anyway, to the haul. This is very quick because it was just a few items that we got. So we got this pack of chin chin. This was $5.29 for this tub here. We got some curry powder. I got this yam that I'm suspecting. Got some scotch bonnet. I'm hoping that these ones are not corrupted. But anyway, we got that. We got some fillet. This is the catfish fillet. This bag was £6 and change. We also got some crunchy kuli kuli. I hope this one is very tasty. We also picked up some palm oil. This is authentic palm oil from Olu Olu. We picked up some plantain as well. These plantains are small looking and they look like they're about to go, but anyway, we picked that up. We also bought some long pepper. This is for my pepper mix. I couldn't find chili pepper, but I got this. I got 3 packs of this. So that's 1, 2, and 3. These are already frozen, so this is just going into my freezer. And the last thing we bought is a frozen beef tribe, and this pack was £8.99, so £9 for this. People of God, this is the total of everything we bought. That's one pricey list. Anyway, verily we will be fed. I cannot be stressing over price of food at this point, because if that's the way we want to do things, we will not eat. We'll just be drinking water and be praising God. Anyway, you guys, I'm about to just put this away and start cooking. I don't even know what I want to cook, but I know it's something spicy because I feel like my tongue is going bland. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Hair is from Shein, by the way. My earrings are from Shein. My necklace is from Ghana jewelry. Yeah, I just have bits and bobs from all over. Alright, you guys, so before we go, a quick unboxing from Ant Mall. So it sent me this pretty lovely Lady Dior bag. This is kind of a briefcase kind of bag. Ant Mall is not new to us here on the channel. They have sent us a couple of items in the past. Well, you guys, this Lady Dior bag has been on my wish list for a couple of months. So they sell things like this. They sell one-to-one replicas of brands that you might see, big brands, Gucci, Prada, Fendi. The list is endless. So they have all of these items on their page. I will do well to leave that in the description box, so you guys will also be able to use my discount code just as displayed on your screen for some amazing discounts. It's also worth mentioning that Ant Mall have very good customer relations, so you will be kept up to date with your progress regarding shipment details and all of that. The bag comes very well packed. It comes in very good condition. Anyway, you guys, enough said about that. Go on their page, tell them Tola sent you. They will give you some amazing discounts, and you also get to select all these amazing items with all the thousands removed from it. Really affordable, really beautiful. So this is what the bag looks like. It has a red interior. It also has a zip compartment just in case you want to keep anything separated from the rest of the bag. It has some really lovely hardware on there. This just spells Dior. So I have this bag in red and pink, and right now I have black because black goes with everything. Anyway, you guys, enough said about the bag. Go on their page and get to see for yourself. Also, you guys, there's something I've been meaning to say, and I'm sure quite a number of you might have noticed already. But you guys, I have to cut down my upload schedule. I am going away for a while, and it is not to say that I will not be uploading. It's just that the frequency of my upload will be cut down. For those who know what my upload schedule is or was, I used to upload every Wednesday and Sunday, but right now I have just been uploading on Sundays, and that's because this year is geared towards a lot of personal development, and there's so many things that I want to be doing this year, and I cannot do that with the kind of workload that I have put on YouTube. So I have to cut that back. But just know that when you get my videos on Sunday, they will be packed, they will be full, and you will get my usual content as per usual. So I'm not disappearing, but I'm just going to be limiting my upload days to just Sunday. Okay.